Welcome to today's guide on enabling in-app notifications for mentions and saved pins on Pinterest using your PC. With the latest update, keeping track of who mentions you has never been easier. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you don't miss any important interactions. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look at the left side menu of the Pinterest interface. Here, you'll find a gear icon that represents the settings. Click on this gear icon to proceed. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences related to your Pinterest account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, locate the Notifications section on the left side of the screen. Click on it to access your notification settings. Under the Notification settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Pins You Saved. Here, you will see an option for mentions. Click on this option to proceed. You will now see an option to enable in-app notifications for mentions. Make sure to toggle this setting on so that you receive notifications directly within the app whenever someone mentions you in their saved pins. Finally, after enabling in-app notifications, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures that all your changes are applied and that you will start receiving notifications for mentions right away. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled in-app notifications for mentions and saved pins on Pinterest. Now you can stay updated and engaged with your Pinterest community without missing a beat. Happy pinning!